Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video that explained the difference between the duplicate key and the contour key. And there's two different ways you can do something. I'm going to do it again. I'm going to use the duplicate key versus the blend tool. So we're going to Control D and make a duplicate of this. And we're going to hold down the control button and have it kind of touch. Whoop, I did not make a duplicate. Control D, move it over. But we're going to increase this one by 125%. Control D. The duplicate key moved it over the same amount and made it 25% larger again. Now, purposely, I'm going to make a duplicate of this one. And I'm going to make a duplicate of this one. And then when you weld these together, you would have a pretty neat looking shape. But you could do the same thing with the blend tool. Select both your objects, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to blend it 6 times, keeping in mind that we're going to have 2 on each end and hit apply. And then we can hit weld. Now the difference is we're going to have to break the blend apart to get it to weld. And also the difference is where Corel was kind of keeping on an even till, this one was increasingly getting it larger equally. It's almost the same, a little bit more jagged edges here. And like these two are on the, well, they're basically on the same plane. But it's almost the exact same process using the blend tool versus using the duplicate tool. The reason I like the blend tool is if you didn't like that, you could just start over, move your objects further apart, select them both, blend them the 5 times, and hit apply. And you go, well, that's not close enough. Well, let's up it 1 to 6 and hit apply. You don't have to start over. You can keep going until you look at it and go, that's going to look pretty cool. But you still have to arrange, break it apart before you could weld it to make that shape. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.